Are you the kind of person who always wants to be the best? Driven, focused, always eager to do what matters most to you. But what really matters? What are you truly willing to sacrifice for? I used to chase success, trophies, and perfection. The greatest eagerness isn't about achievement. It's about love, the kind that drops everything for someone else. Even if it's for something you don't understand, even if you're colorblind. Love is what makes us eager to do good. It puts someone else's needs above our own. That's the love God showed us. Titus 2:14 tells us, a people that are his very own, eager to do what is good. So the question is, how eager are you to do good? Eagerness isn't about perfection. It's about love in action. For hopeful help, go to hopeisthekey.org.